Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Chia network. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is this resistance level at our monthly swing high, where we see a drastic move to the downside. Now we can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low, where we see price react as support. Now let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. So here on the weekly, what do we see? We can spot a key level right here, acting as resistance. Now, we also notice a key level here, acting as support, where we see multiple reactions before price breaks through and moves drastically. We can also go ahead and plot our weekly swing high, where we see multiple reactions before price breaks down, reversing drastically. Now, we can also notice some smaller key levels here. We have support where we have multiple reactions before price breaks through, and then we see price reacting to the key level once again, acting as resistance, reversing to the downside. So, on the monthly and weekly charts, these are all of our key levels. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.